Is it the right time to buy or sell NIO stock? Today, we're delving deep into NIO, providing you with an even more detailed analysis than our initial report published on Friday, December 8, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 7, 2023, our system has categorized NIO as a sell candidate with a score of -1.27. Now let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -1.47%. This means the stock has been losing an average of -0.73% per day since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend and is expected to continue falling in the short term. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential -24.14% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This means the stock could have a return ranging from -29.83% to -17.26%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -12.94% change in the stock's value over the next year. The potential return during this period could range from -26.38% to 73.22%. Therefore, after a year, the stock price could be anywhere between $5.43 and $12.78. Our latest daily update for NIO reveals that the stock price experienced a decrease of 1.47% on Friday. On the last trading day, Friday, December 8, 2023, the NIO stock price fell from $7.49 to $7.38, indicating a decline of 1.47%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $7.30 and a high of $7.57, showcasing a 3.7% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of 0.27%. It is worth noting that the decrease in trading volume aligns with the stock decline, which is generally seen as a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 20 million shares on the last day, with a total of 42 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $308.73 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $16.18, while the lowest price was $7. At present, the stock price is 54.39%, equivalent to $8.80, below the 52-week high, and 88.98%, equivalent to $59.61, below the all-time high on January 11, 2021, when it reached $66.99. Analyst ratings. Recently, there have been several analyst ratings for NIO, a leading electric vehicle company. On Monday, June 12, 2023, UBS gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. This means they believe NIO's performance will remain stable and recommend investors to hold on to their shares. Also on Monday, June 12, 2023, Citigroup gave NIO a buy grade with a hold action. This indicates that Citigroup sees potential in NIO's future and suggests investors hold their positions. Moving on to Tuesday, March 14, 2023, JP Morgan gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. This suggests JP Morgan believes NIO's performance may not be as strong as before and advises caution. Similarly, on Thursday, March 2, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. This implies that Telsey Advisory sees a potential decline in NIO's prospects and advises investors to be wary. Lastly, on Thursday, December 29, 2022, Citigroup gave NIO a hold grade with a hold action. This means Citigroup believes NIO's performance will likely remain steady and recommends investors to maintain their current positions. Analysts have given NIO stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for NIO. Let's start with the positive news. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, December 1, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 3.22%. This indicates that there is potential for further growth until a new top pivot is found. However, there are also some negative signals to consider. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast for the NIO stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals indicates a general sell signal, with the long-term average currently above the short-term average. On the upside, if the stock corrects upwards, it may face resistance at the levels of $7.40 and $7.54. A break above any of these levels would issue buy signals. Lastly, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it's worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator is suggesting a sell signal. The Pivots indicator provided a buy signal 6 days ago. The Bollinger indicator indicated a buy signal 34 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for NIO. NIO has found support from accumulated volume at $7.32. This level may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. When it comes to volatility, NIO shows average movements during the day and with good trading volume. The risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock moved $0.270 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 3.7% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 6.55%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through rough periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, let's take a look at the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023, which is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Today, we'll explore some potential day trading levels for NIO. If the trend is upward, the first resistance level for NIO stands at $7.75. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could be interesting for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $7.32. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, indicating a potential rebound in the stock. This stock has received a negative evaluation and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is NIO stock a good buy? Unfortunately, NIO currently holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend. Based on this, we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. However, when analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, December 11th, we expect NIO to open up with a gain of $0.0367 and start trading at $7.42. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest, we wish you a successful trading day and hope you have a beautiful day ahead.